In the heart of every farmer lies the desire for bountiful harvests, where every seed sown brings forth abundance. But in a world of unpredictable weather, rising input costs, and limited resources, achieving this vision can seem like an uphill battle. Introducing revolutionary satellite-based technology that puts the power of precision farming in the hands of every farmer. With real-time satellite imagery, farmers can now monitor their crops with unparalleled accuracy, detecting early signs of stress, disease, or nutrient deficiencies. With precise insights at their fingertips, farmers can make data-driven decisions, optimizing inputs, reducing waste, and maximizing yields. Join the thousands of farmers already reaping the benefits of this cutting-edge technology. Experience higher production, lower input costs, and greater sustainability. Empower your farm with the power of satellite-based technology. The future of farming is here. Download Advick app and revolutionize your farming experience and contact us today to learn more.